Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've recently performed a factory reset on your Android phone, you might encounter a security feature known as Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This lock links the device to the Google account that was previously active on it to prevent unauthorized resets and use. In this video, I'll walk you through two different methods to either remove or bypass Google FRP on your Android phone. I will be demonstrating with a Samsung phone, but the process is also applicable to most other Android phone models. Method 1. Recover the previous Google account. If you recall the email address or username associated with the phone but have forgotten the password, you can recover the account. On a separate device or computer, navigate to google.com and attempt to sign in. Click Forgot Password and complete the verification steps, which may involve a linked phone number or recovery email. Once you've set a new password, return to your phone and enter the updated credentials to proceed with the setup. Method 2. Use PassFab Android Unlock. This method involves completely removing the FRP lock using a dedicated tool called PassFab Android Unlock. This professional software is designed to handle various Android locks, including screen passwords and Google FRP, and supports nearly all Android models. Download and install the software using the link in the video description. Launch the program to see the main menu. Select Remove Google FRP, choose your phone brand, Samsung in this case, and pick the Android version. Click Remove Now, connect your phone via USB cable, and the tool will automatically detect it. The FRP removal will begin. Your device may restart multiple times during the process. Once your phone powers back on and reaches the setup screen, you'll notice that the Google account verification step is no longer present. You can now tap Skip and continue setting up your phone as usual. Shortly after, you'll arrive at your home screen. That's how you successfully bypass Google FRP on an Android phone after a factory reset. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.